Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Friends, Goa's development story is not only about the tourism. Goa is about the hardworking farmers, fishermen, artisans, entrepreneurship and the rural youth. We want the vibrant villages with the prosperous farm, the modern fisheries and strong allied sectors, the MSMEs that creates the job locally, the green energy in homes and farms, and the Goa where the family can dream bigger and achieve more. This is the spirit of the Swayampoorna Goa and the goal of the Vikasit Goa 2037. The success of the focus paper will depend upon the coordination efforts. So I urge the NABARD, the government departments, the banks and financial institutions, district administration and cooperative banks and self-help groups to work together with shared mission, convert credit into assets and assets into the livelihoods. Let us ensure the credit become the simpler, faster, more accessible and more human, especially for the small and marginal farmer, women, youth and the first-time entrepreneurs.